What's up everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to take a look how we can create a weapon pickup inside Unreal Engine 4. So let's get started. First of all, we need to add this file to our project FPS Weapon Bonder. It is completely free on Unreal Engine 4 Marketplace. You can add this to your project and open your skeletal mesh. We need to, oh, this is for previous tutorial, let me remove all. We need to create a socket to our hand, so I've already created, so let me delete it. Create a socket to our hand R, add the socket, call it weapon. We need to add a preview asset. This is only for preview, it is not going to show on the actual game. Okay, let me fix the rotation and location. Right, I think this is gonna work for me. I'm happy with this location and rotation. And okay, let's create a new actor, call it weapon, open it up, add the skeletal mesh. Which gun it was? I don't know. Yeah, never mind. Add this one to your project. The material are missing, don't worry. This is only just for me, not for you, because I recently made some changes in this project. Hit compile. We need to add a box collision. Add a box collision around the weapon. Hit compile. On the event graph, just delete all of this, we don't need it. We need to, first of all, on the default class, on the auto receiving input, click on the player 0, hit compile. So what we are going to do, we are going to, on the box, add a event on component begin overlap. I don't know why my computer just frozen every time. On the begin overlap, and also add event on end overlap. On the other actor, other cone, just we need to say cast to third person character. Copy, duplicate this one on the other component, I guess. Let me, on the other actor, I think, yeah, on the other actor, we need to create a new variable, call it is overlapper, set it true when the character enter the box, it's going to be true, when he left it's going to be false. And yeah, I think open your third person character, create a new function, call it spawn weapon. On the spawn weapon, we are going to say spawn actor from class, choose our weapon, And also we need to get our span transfer, get a reference to your mesh, get socket transfer. Need to put our socket correctly, copy this one, paste, hook this up. I'm gonna promote this to a variable because just promote to a local variable. I'm gonna use this later. Socket, I guess. Promote this one to a variable, not local, to a variable. We're going to use this one later. Call it weapon reference and attach actor to component. Hook this to the parent and get our mesh and also get our socket. Our location rule will be snap to target or rotation. Snap to target, scale and snap to target. Hit compile. And also we need to do something. Just get box collision. Where is the box? There we go. We got our box. I'm going to set collision enable to no collision. This will destroy our collision because after we attach weapon to our character we don't need the collision anymore. So head back to our weapon. I'm gonna promote to a variable. Gonna search for E key. E key, where are you? There it is, our E key. And the first one we are going to call is. Let me do it. By doing this, we don't need to say is valid or not. This node will take care of our work. So, is valid, we are going to say branch get our is overlapping. Is true. If this is true, we are going to call spawn weapon. And also, we're going to say destroy this actor. Let's test it out. Drag our weapon to scene. Hit play. If I press E, we'll destroy this actor and attach weapon to our hand. And we need to do something more. I need to create a new text render. Where are you, text render? There it is. I'm gonna change this to press E to pick up. Press E to pick up. Just make sure to search for hidden in game, check hidden in game, head back to your event graph. On the box collision, begin overlap, we are going to set new visibility, set visibility. Set visibility to this one. And also on the end overlap, I'm going to back it to false. Let's test everything out. Something went wrong. Let's test everything. Probably. Hmm. All. And yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more Unreal Engine 4 tutorial. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.